Hi everyone. It's a great day for couples painting with him and Patty from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a good day. John's going to do a little demonstration that we hope will help people. He's going to explain it and demonstrate it for you.
Yeah, a lot of time we use squeeze bottles. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. We use the squeeze bottles. We used to get them at Sam's, and they don't really have it at Sam's anymore, but we found a place online to get them. And a lot of times when you pour from a squeeze bottle, and just give it a little shake here.
That's a thin paint, so.
You know, when you pour from the squeeze bottle, you get a pretty thick line. So what we've done, and doesn't take a lot of, you have to be a brain surgeon to do this stuff, is we use a lot of these pipettes. Patricia, she gets them online. I don't know, you get about 100 of them for a couple bucks or something like that. And when you want to make a thinner line on something using your squeeze bottle, you just take the pipette and you cut it off like about here. Save that because we'll use that later. And you get this little piece. I don't know if you can see it or not. Hopefully you can. Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay. Now if you just take this little piece and you put it on top of the squeeze bottle and just push it down, when you pour a line, you can get a real fine line. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to squeeze it so hard that it pops off. It will pop off just from the pressure. It'll pop it right off. So that's what we do with the little pipettes, and then you just take it off when you're done and put your cap back on and rinse it off, or save it or throw it away or whatever. They're not. You use these little erasers that Priscilla Batzel showed us. That's what she did. And also, if you need to, like I use a lot of paint directly out of the bottle, like the art mines and stuff like that. And to get it out, it doesn't really pour because it's real thick. So what I do is I take the pipette and I cut it off. Trying to find one here that's cut off a little. You can see it's a lot of that's cut off right there. You just stick it, I don't know if you can see, stick it into your paint, and you can suck up your paint. And if you want to place it certain spots on your picture, you can without worrying about drips from the bottle or whatever. So you can see how that goes.
Are you squeezing the top?
Yeah, I am squeezing the top. Okay. Yeah, just suck it up, and then you just give it a little squeeze and then place it where you want to. You can rinse this off, throw it away. They're not expensive, or whatever you want to do. So that was it. That's just a little quick video. Anything else?
No, I think that was
good. And then, you know, depending on the thickness of the line that you want to make, you can just cut this.
Different lengths.
Yeah, different lengths. You cut it here and you get a little bit thicker here, and if you let it go all the way to the end, you get a real thin line. So, thank you very much. Hopefully this will help somebody. Just thought we'd let you know.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this. We hope that this was beneficial to you. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing more helpful hint type videos to come. And as always, you know, our artwork is very experimental. Neither one of us have any art training. So we watch videos or we come up with our own creations, and we hope you enjoy them. We'll see you soon. Peace.